Alright, first up, it's Elephant Toothpaste time. Get ready for an exciting and bubbly adventure. This experiment is a classic for a reason. It's visually spectacular and never fails to impress. It's not just educational but also a blast to do, especially with friends or family. For this experiment, you'll need a plastic bottle, hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, active dry yeast, warm water, and food coloring. Make sure you have everything ready before you start. Safety first. Always wear gloves and protect your eyes with safety goggles. This ensures you can have fun without any risks. Pour hydrogen peroxide into the bottle, making sure to handle it carefully. Next, add a good amount of dish soap and a few drops of your favorite food coloring to make it vibrant. In a separate container, mix warm water and yeast. Stir it well until the yeast is fully dissolved. Once the yeast mixture is ready, pour it into the bottle. This is where the magic happens. Stand back, you'll witness a massive eruption of colorful foam spewing out of the bottle. It's mesmerizing, isn't it? The reaction is quick and spectacular, creating a foamy tower that looks like toothpaste fit for an elephant. Enjoy the show. Next up, we have the classic baking soda and vinegar volcano experiment. It's a simple, reliable, and never fails to entertain both kids and adults alike. For this experiment, you'll need some basic household items: baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, a tall container, Play-Doh or clay, and red food coloring. These ingredients are easy to find and inexpensive. Start by building your volcano using the container and Play-Doh or clay. Shape it to look like a real volcano. Next, pour a generous amount of baking soda into the volcano's opening. This will be the base of our eruption. In a separate container, mix vinegar with a few drops of red food coloring and a squirt of dish soap. The dish soap helps to create more bubbles. Carefully pour the vinegar mixture into the volcano's opening. Be ready for the reaction. Watch in amazement as it reacts with the baking soda, creating a bubbling, overflowing stream of red lava. It's a fantastic demonstration of a chemical reaction. It's like having a mini volcano right in your living room. This experiment is not only fun, but also educational, showing the power of chemistry in action. Next up, the rainbow in a jar. This experiment is a fantastic way to learn about the different densities of liquids. You'll need a tall glass or jar, honey, corn syrup, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol, and food coloring. Add food coloring to each liquid except the honey. Layer the liquids in the jar, starting with the densest, honey, and ending with the least dense, rubbing alcohol. The liquids form distinct layers based on their densities. The result? A stunning rainbow in a jar. Who wants to be a secret agent today? Let's create some invisible ink and write secret messages. You'll need lemon juice, cotton swabs or paintbrushes, white paper, and a heat source. Squeeze lemon juice into a bowl. Dip a cotton swab into the lemon juice and write your secret message on the paper. Let the lemon juice dry completely. Hold the paper near a heat source. The lemon juice will oxidize, turning brown and revealing your hidden message. The science behind this is pretty cool. Finally, let's get our hands dirty with Oobleck, a fascinating non-Newtonian fluid that defies the usual rules of liquids and solids. To create this intriguing substance, you'll need just two simple ingredients: cornstarch and water. Start by pouring cornstarch into a bowl. Then, slowly add water, mixing continuously as you go to ensure an even consistency. Your goal is to achieve a consistency that's neither too runny nor too thick. It should feel just right when you touch it. Now, it's time to play around with your Oobleck. Squeeze it tightly, roll it into a ball, and then let it drip slowly from your fingers. Notice how Oobleck behaves like both a solid and a liquid, depending on the amount of pressure you apply. When you apply pressure, the cornstarch particles lock together, creating a solid-like structure that resists your touch. But as soon as you release the pressure, the particles flow freely again, and the Oobleck behaves like a liquid, slipping through your fingers effortlessly. Experiment with different amounts of water and cornstarch to see how the consistency changes. You can even add food coloring to make your Oobleck more fun and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these experiments, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome science content. Don't forget to share your experiment results in the comments below. I love seeing your scientific creations. Remember, science is everywhere, and it's for everyone. So keep experimenting, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun with it. Until next time, stay curious.